Drop it.
What's up, team? How is everybody doing? No, I'm not using $100 bills for the filters. Yes, do not mess with me and my coffee. I love me some coffee. How is everybody doing? Woo, market depth in the morning. Jacob, what's up? Now, Applejacks, can you see the difference? I was messaging Applejacks this morning where I actually took a course on HDR, high dynamic range mapping for video. I just wanted to see how it would turn out on stream. So, I mean, your opinion definitely welcomed. What we have here, 2 cups in today. Absolutely. This is my third one. Good morning, Obago. You need a merch mug. Yes, background separation. Dope. All right, so high dynamic range, right? So, okay, cool. Now, let's get right into it because, hey, yo, Andy, you watching? Playing that reversal. All right, kind of looks 3D. Yum. Okay. I like a lotopus. Ivan, that's what you call a lesbian dinosaur. That joke is as old as 99, bro. Man, he took me way back. What's good in the hood? Well, let's go ahead and look at these charts here. Well, damn it, you see? OBS, always messing me up here. Let me go ahead and fix this. Change the settings. Jesus, always getting me the wrong screen. Okay, done. All right, we're on the right screen. Good morning, Chairman Gabe. Yes, I am taking this trade. I am up. Yes, sir. You know what? I'm going to hold it. I'm just going to hold it. All right, what's going on, guys? Let's go ahead and look at NVIDIA because this is the trade I was playing. I was mentioning it in the chat here, and it's something that I just ultimately saw coming, right? So let's go ahead and look at this. This is wild here. Look at NVIDIA make her run or her attempt at the 48 after absolutely getting pummeled. Absolutely getting pummeled here. Gotta love it. Let me send that screenshot on over to the boys so, they never question. They never question the best to ever do it. There you go. That's what I was waiting for, fellas. You're watching me on the stream. All right, so we're looking for it to break the 48. It looks like it does have some momentum here on the 1 minute. On the 5 minute, man, this thing just got murdered on the 5 minute. Who made money in this bloodbath in the morning? I'd like to know who made some money. I'm on the big screen. Hi, Mom. Hey. Who made money this morning? Let's see. Who made money? Tori, you made money this morning in this bloodbath? Yeah, the market had a period this morning. Made 70%? What? Okay, you know what? I'm just again, I don't need to be here. You guys are doing pretty damn well all by yourself. Let's see. Port up 3.19. Sweet. Not a play yet. All right, Vito, what's up? I made 100% on 2 QQQ trades this morning. Jeff made 50% on Apple Puts Ice. I made a nice day rate this morning. Dope. STV, hola. Winning Loser up 16.3% on the port. Jesus, dude. Winning Loser never loses. Notorious. Amazon paid this morning. Everything paid this morning. You know what? I continue to get paid this morning. Where are we at? Yeah, fuck it. Haha. Hey, yo, Andy, that trade paid me 13%. Yes, sir. All right. And I'm actually going to close this trade. Well, yeah, I should. I'm going to go do that right now. All right. So let's see. 15, 16. Yeah, I'm out of this. I don't get greedy. This bad boy paid. All right, now let's see if it can get me out. You got to get me out. No, I'm going to have to modify my order. You guys are watching me do this in real time. I was a little aggressive. Here. So I'm going to go ahead and modify my order. There you go. Get me out. And we're out. Dope. I got what I wanted. I got what I needed. Sweet. 2.41% on the port. I'm done. All right, let's see. I think I need to start playing levels. A miss on Desai is like, please, let's not get in the habit of doing that in this community. Spell the right way. You know, otherwise I'm going to start talking like in ghetto urban New York slang. Nah, I mean? All right. Feel me, son? Cool. Set, dog. Never mind. All right, guys, let's go ahead and throw out some tickers here. Let's see what we have here. The market made that insane reversal. And you got, this is actually a great indication here, guys. Check this out, right? You got a great indication here. When you start seeing the big boys, Apple, Tesla, SPY, TQQQ, GME, QQQ, NVIDIA, AMD, AMC, Lucid, you start seeing these bad boys, well, not AMC, AMC is a fucking dud. But when you start seeing them run, okay, this is probably a good indication that, whatever you're in is doing what it has to do. Yeah, I did some NVIDIA. Hold on. Let's see what happened here with NVIDIA. Actually, I got out here, right here. That was basically my exit at the 13, assuming that the 13 was going to act as a level of resistance. All right. AMC, LOL. What's good, fool? Please don't have your kids around watching this. All right, let's go ahead and check out some of these tickers that were alerted. Lucid alerted to the, let's check out AMD. AMD, what are you doing? I'm assuming AMD is following NVIDIA. No, AMD just had different plans for herself. Now, here we are on the 5 minute. You have a traffic light. Let's see what happened here on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, you had a traffic light right there. You didn't quite get the retracement. However, you can use the 48 as your level of risk, and then you see how the 13 crosses up, right? Now we got to zoom out here and see if there was a level that we had to respect, and it was at or about right here before you got that rejection. You always got to look at your levels, ladies and gentlemen, right? If you're breaking a level, you know that you have to respect it, and or it breaks, you protect it. Really that simple. Very, very simple stuff, all right? Let's see, Ford. Let's go ahead and look at Ford. Ford, all about that long hold here, right? And Ford just doing his thing. Ford on a 1 minute traffic light. Okay, so guys, this is a great opportunity to show you how not to chase, okay? So on the 1 minute with Ford, he had a traffic light, came way up here, right? Now, the thing is that if I'm going to enter, I'm actually going to enter with a candle coming as close to the 13 as possible. That way I could establish the 13 as risk. As it stands right now, overcooked on the 1 minute. So that is your first clue to just dump Ford and buy a Chevy. All right. Now let's get to the comments here. Hey, boss, if you're playing the daily traffic light, how far out? Well, I'm playing just basically this Friday, right? Everything I'm playing is this Friday. Um, Basically, well, today, I can play stocks up until this Friday. Usually I would switch it out to next Friday. But yeah, and the spy, you definitely probably want to start playing next Friday today. You just don't want to get caught up in theta with the spy. Spy is just one of those wonky things, right? Luigi, have you watched the daily and 4 hour traffic light video? Yeah, Luigi, go watch it. Let's see. Ryan Marshall, spy had a double bottom or level play. Who cares about double bottoms? But we'll go ahead and look at the spy, right? I mean, you had a double bottom here. Okay, look. You had a level right here. Let's go ahead and do this here. We had a level right here. And that's where you saw price sensitivity. That's when it started really reacting. But most importantly, as it broke this level, you had RSI. Let me get on the right camera here. You had RSI just really getting oversold here on the SPY. This is actually a good indication. Once you see a level and you see consolidation, and then you see price being sensitive to that level, and RSI literally just reacting to it, like rejecting it, right? Like two magnets, right? They just reject, right? If you get a positive, they just reject each other, right? So that's essentially what happened. You get a rejection off the RSI, and again, take it all in. Take it all in. When you take it all in, it starts to make a lot of sense. All right. Junior Figueroa, what is going on? Right now we got the SPY. Let's check out the SPY here because the SPY seems to be reacting to this 48. This is rather interesting. All right. SPY reacting to the 48 here. Let's see if she's got... she looks like she has momentum here on the 5-minute with a potential cross on the MACD, right? Now let's see what's happening here on the 1-minute. On the 1-minute, you can see the price sensitivity at the 200 with RSI getting to very hot levels here, okay? You get an RSI break below its moving average. We could see that bullish momentum on the 1-minute is getting weaker, so we get a break here. I don't think she holds much longer, right? Unless she intends to get overcooked to the upside here, right? So I just really don't see much more momentum that exists here without seeing a rejection. That's just my opinion. I trade safe. I'm not estimating or guesstimating that we hit this level here at 396.69. I don't see it just yet. Probably need a little more time. Let's see. What else? SPY 48 test, ADX fading, red low, and MACD crossing up, RSI above 50. Well, hold on. RSI is above 50. Are you talking about the 5-minute? We can look at the 5-minute here. RSI above 50. RSI making its move up. You do have an MACD cross. Now, here's something that you have to consider, right? This MACD cross, if it happens in this zone, is much stronger than an MACD cross happening way down here. As you can see, you have the signal and the MACD line at negative 45 and negative 50 respectively, and you have neutral line at 0.00. So you have to take it with a grain of salt here, right? Unless we get that moving average breaking above 50. Now, this traffic light is in fact valid, right? I mean, it's a little too far away on the 5-minute. I would not take it, but it can in fact keep you in the trade, right? So what we're looking at here on the 1-minute, again, you see what the 1-minute showing you. I'm looking at consolidation at this level. I'm not really too convinced that it maintains momentum, right? So that's just my opinion. Again, not financial advice, but this is how I trade, right? I trade on the side of caution. Immediately you get that red candle showing sensitivity to this level. Gabe, all the Ritas are going nuts in a good way. Oh, we have a threesome going on. Let's see. We have 10% scale out allocation Rita going on. We got a 7.5% scale out defend F5 iteration of Rita. And then we also have the degenerate Rita, right? This is the Cardi B version of Rita. Gives absolute zero fucks. Will play full port if you let her. Okay. We're proving out the strategy. So please don't be Rita. She's much faster than all of us. Okay, moving along. Let's look at some other interesting tickers. Let's see. Yeah, the SPY is literally doing as anticipated, as is expected here. What's going on the 1 minute? You get that break below its moving average, right? It's just holding on to that 200. It's just holding on to that 200. So let's see. We have a Lucid to the downside. Let's go ahead and check out Lucy. That is the latest 1 minute alert here. Wait, what are we doing here? Lucid to the downside. That seemed to come in a little late, or I came in late. What time is it? Yeah, I came in late. Lucy to the downside. Again, consolidation, right? This is just letting you know that the market is just chilling right now, right? We are at or about that time. It is 11 a.m. The market made a serious move. People are literally catching their breath. Okay, so just I'm not really playing this. I really don't care much for it. Amazon possible down again, stuck at a level. All right, let's go ahead and look at Amazon. Amazon stuck at a level. Amazon stuck at a 13 and a 48. Could it possibly go back down? You know what? That would actually be a good thesis for where we're at right now. Going down, yes. Let's look at it on the 5. Now on the 5, you could see it's getting rejected by its 13. And RSI is still pivoting down. We do have a pretty decent thigh gap here between signal and MACD line. So there's absolutely no convergence going on right here. You might witness some consolidation. I think if you're going to play it, you play it on the 1 minute for some quick scalps, but it could go either way. All right. I think at this point, again, the market has settled itself. It's found itself sideways. Go ahead and just chill out, right? There's no need to force a trade up until the market shows us it's alive and there's some action, right? Now we go ahead and we look at this traffic light. You wait for that retracement. It was in fact actionable up until a level, and that, guys, is what the market gave us. I want you guys to go ahead and understand that you're playing what the market gives you, not what you think it should give you or what you think it owes you. Okay. Now let's go ahead and check out Pep here. PepsiCo. Man, I don't know the last time I drank a Pepsi, but looking at this chart here, it's just a whole lot of boring. You know, Pepsi's one of those staples that you just hold long term as well. You know, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, the Fords, you know, just the blue chips, you just hold forever, right? I mean, you don't really see much volatility in price. I mean, you're looking at an $16 drop from a high, and this was all the way back in December. For me, that shows toughness in the market and stability. But that traffic light, on the daily, I don't know if I'm going to chase this one, but that one's filthy. All right, going back to the 1 minute. Hello, RD and Applejacks, wherever you are, bro. Applejacks is probably home right now, I'm assuming. All right, we got a lot of alerts popping in right now. Anyways, what else are we looking at, Gabe? Are you using a phone to trade or a computer to actually pull the trigger? I'm using a phone. I use my phone, and then I use the TradingView chart. Yep. All right. Applejack's editing some photos. All right, man. I'm proud of this kid. He followed his dream. He grew some cojones and said, Gabe, fuck you. I'm going to snap pictures. It's like, all right, go ahead, kid. Let's see. Hey, Gabe. Girls are doing great. You're late with that bit of information. However, did you shoot me a text? I'd like to know. How did STV know before me? Did I get it? Let's see. Let's see. And then the captain showing off his gains. Let's see. AMD crossing down. Let's go ahead and check out AMD. AMD on to 1 minute. All right, check this out, guys. Right? So we got the AMD alert at 10:54. This makes our alerts absolutely actionable. Okay? Absolutely actionable. You're not going to get that anywhere else. Make sure you guys check out trade1348.com. Get your free access for 2 weeks because you'll never get 1348 for free ever again. Ever again. I'll get my tool says Speed Racer has changed the game. Absolutely has changed the game. Absolutely. All right. Get the most actionable alerts. No follow me trading. None of the etch and sketches. None of that BS, right? None of the Twitter DD. None of that stuff, right? Just actionable alerts. It's you in the chart. We just teach you how to read the chart and you print. Just really, really that simple. All right, moving along. Let's go. AMD traffic light. It's got some momentum to the downside, especially on the 1 minute, because we do have an MACD cross below neutral. This is beautiful. So if we start seeing some red printing on a histogram, this is ideal. All right. Rita Conservative up 7.62% overall port since starting yesterday. Wow. Okay, so she's up almost 2% already this morning. That's dope. Miguel, good morning. Na says, hey, Gabe, how viable does the NVIDIA 1 minute traffic light down look? Let's go ahead and check it out for you, right? So NVIDIA traffic light down. This looks tasty. This looks tasty as hell. On the 1 minute, you have ideally the same setup that we just previously saw, where you have the MACD showing massive weakness here, right? You got the moving average trending down and RSI pointing downwards here, right? And you also got a potential cross of the MACD well below the neutral line here, which is just giving me, some conviction that this thing is going down. Now let's go ahead and look at the 5 minute. The 5 minute. If you came in on this traffic light or tried a retracement, you print it like, oh, hell, right? The master trend or the governing trend against the 1 minute is, in fact, the 5 minute, okay? So looking at the 1 minute here, she's doing her thing. I would say look at this level at 226.63. Consider that level, okay? And once you get to that level, you might want to consider securing the bag, okay? You might want to consider securing the bag and or protecting your profits at the break of this blue pill line right there, right? Am I making sense to you guys? Are you guys able to see this? This is just chart reading mastery at its finest. That's all it is. There's nothing special of what I do, right? In fact, this system is designed to be so simple that even an ape can do it. All right. Let's get back to the chart. He's not convinced on Tesla. Let's look at Stresla. Stresla, what are we doing here? Nope, not convinced either. That sideways action is bullshit. And you could see how it's sideways as well on the 5. Now you have some momentum to the upside, but you see this disagreement, right? You see this disagreement between the RSI, although it's coming on up and it's pivoting up. You see a disagreement. There's a major discrepancy because even though you do, in fact, get a cross down here on the MACD, it is so far out by 1.26 points and 1.69 points, respectively. So if you are going to get this move to the upside to again, realize any amount of profit, you want to see this setup a little better. Ideally, you want to see this setup with the traffic light to the upside. On the 1 minute, you got your traffic light to the upside, but you also have a level right here. Now, you also look at the RSI right here. It is at 63.35. Now, if it does run, you can run to overcooked territory and get absolutely rejected. As it stands, not really fucking around with her. Not really fucking around with her. All right. Now, I know we should map our own support and resistance, but do the charts come with them? Danielle, they certainly do. They certainly do. They do. Yes. SPY being a bully? Okay, let's go ahead and check out SPY. SPY consolidating. That's all she's doing. Ladies and gentlemen, SPY consolidating and just making fools out of people who do not know how to read a chart. That's what the SPY is doing, just making absolute fools. You got a 1 minute traffic light here breaking below the 48. You have RSI breaking below 50. You have this bullish momentum just absolutely dying. Let's see what's happening here on a 5 minute. Right, you have the 13 supporting it. You had the traffic light to the upside, but moving average and RSI is below 50. And guys, this actually, I want to prove this out to you a little bit, right? You see you got green here on the histogram, but it's still weak because the MACD and the signal line way too far from neutral. Does that make sense? Please tell me this makes sense, because I spend too much of my time in front of a screen. Thoughts on QQQ? All right. Let's see here. Thoughts on the Qs? On the 5 minute, it's trending down. On the 1 minute, you got a 1 minute traffic light. You do have a level right here. I would say secure the bag rather soon. You got 291.69. I would secure this bag here with the Qs, only because you could immediately start to see price sensitivity at this level, right? Now, should you break the level, you defend it. But as it stands right now, I mean, you could get a break. Again, you see that price sensitivity. Just secure that bag, man. Secure that bag. Okay. Moving along. Let's see what other alerts we got. We got Apple and the SPY going down. So that would actually bode well for the Qs if you got Apple and SPY going down. Now let's see what the SPY is doing here. Traffic light here breaking the 48. Things could get really interesting with the SPY. Now let's go to Apple. Now Apple and the SPY tend to mirror each other, right? Traffic light here on Apple, it breaks this 48, and then we gotta find a level here, right? Because it looks like it already gave us a little more than we deserve. We're gonna come back here, right? And our expectation, it gave us a little more than we deserved here, broke that. We're gonna pay attention to the MACD crossing down and the RSI, right? So you do have a potential target at 145.93. I'll go ahead and draw that line out for you, 145.93. When you say defended, what are you referring to, Ralph? When I say defended, it's really, really simple. If you go ahead and let's say you take this traffic light down and now you're in profit, you probably want to defend it at the 48 so that, one, you can keep some of your profit and or you don't get it reversed on you, okay? So as it stands right now, once Apple, this RSI breaks 50, she reverses, right? But she's maintaining that downward pressure. That's pretty good. Pretty good here, right? And let's see. Holy shit. All right, we have the 5 minute. Definitely, this is a level that it broke. It could be sensitive to that. Huh. Yeah, she's coming down, baby. Let's see. Did economic data come out bad? Who cares? Who cares? I don't care. Who cares? Does economic data affect your trade? I mean, does it affect your trade or does it affect how you trade? More importantly, I mean, the people consuming economic data, you know, are they setting you up? If they have big money, they're definitely going to set you up, right? But if they're retail, they don't understand the data. I mean, 9 times out of 10, they just don't, right? So that's why I really don't care. Mirroring the SPY now, absolutely. Now, let's look at this here. AMC, how you guys doing over there? How you guys doing over there, AMC? Wait. Where's top 40 trade? Yo, top 40 trade, where you at, bro? At $12? Try half a dozen, bro. Ah, man. AMC. Poor apes. Poor apes. Right? TGT falling today. Let's go ahead and take a look at TGT. So we got Target. Target's like, fuck this. I don't want to be a retail store anymore. And we got the 1 minute here. 1 minute. Load the chart, damn it. There you go. Okay, so check this out, guys. Our chart gives you, on the 1 minute, gives you a traffic light. This traffic light was absolute filth, right? And you could take this down till you get an RSI. You know, it got hot. It definitely got hot. And you would have to expect that it bounces from this, right? And so it could enter a period of consolidation, moving sideways, and or this could be the beginning of a reversal. You do need more information. Where's that information coming from? It's probably going to come from the 5, right? You also need to see this start getting into some normal territory on the 5, right? You're looking at the RSI here. You got to see it come to normal territory. As it stands right now, Target, if you're in this play and you made bank, I think it's time you just wrap it up. OG Rita is now up 13.5 since Monday. This is dope. What the fuck happened? I thought they beat. Who cares? They're just in a whole lot of trouble. Okay, so what else are we looking at? We got Tessie to the downside. What time did that alert? 11:05. We are 2 minutes late, but let's see if we got a retracement off. Okay, so here we are in the 1 minute, right? Traffic light, retracement. You enter off the retracement off the 13 here, right? But I just shared with you guys basically how you would enter on the 1 minute. You always want to enter on the retracement. That way you're as close to a level as possible, okay? You ideally want to be as close to a level as possible. Okay, perfect. That's 1. 2, we do have a potential cross to the downside on the 1 minute with the MACD, and as long as it's below neutral, this is a good play. RSI coming on down, moving average, definitely just consolidating, just barely underneath 50 at 49.26. You have to be careful with this RSI. This one here, you get a break above its moving average and it's over. Stressla will have fucked you really, really, really hard, okay? So that's why I don't like to play in areas of consolidation like this, because it becomes binary, right? You just really don't know. This is a coin flip. An absolute coin flip. So no retrace, stay away. No retrace, stay away. And or if it is above a level, you could go ahead and use that level as your risk. So we got a SPY knife. Oh, SPY. Do we have a knife here, SPY? Woo-hoo-hoo! Who got paid here? Who got paid on this traffic light? Who got paid here? Who saw the put on the 1 minute, right? Who saw the blue pill line and said, okay, I'm going to defend my profits here? And then who just took this ride down to fucking hell? Man, if you're down there, at least you're fucking rich. Jesus Christ. That was epic. Eli says, me, 31% SPY. You dudes are just printing. You up 97%, Luigi. I just made another nice day rate. Oh, man. Let's see. Rita got paid. I'm sure she did. I got paid, Gabe. Everybody got paid. Everybody in the stream getting paid. For those in the back, the fuck you waiting for, man? Trade 1348, man. You're going to make some money. You're going to make some money. Damn. Nas is up 4.22 on the port. Damn, homie. In high school, you was the man, homie. Oh, man. Okay, anyways, $1,000. That's dope. Now up 20% for the day. That was wild. Oh, man. I got paid quick in and out like last night. Sheesh. Woo. Woo. Who getting paid up in here? Ah, man. Uh, dum 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 dum. Wait. We got the ladies of the Discord just showing off too. Port up 4.33. Nettie, you about to be someone's sugar mama. Accepting applications. No, I'm kidding. Let's see. Cherry up 17.6. Everyone gets $1. The Spy acting like Oprah right now. Man, look at this. This is wild. Wow, up 4.25 on a port. Done for the day. Done for the day. That's what I like to see. The market's all about opportunity. If it gives you more than you deserve, you take it and you walk. And then you walk. All right. Jeez, 4.25. Man, that's some big money right there. I made 2.5% earlier. I'm good with that. That's all you need. That is all you need. Let's go ahead and look at some more no speed racers. The market's made his move. The market's like, we're dying. All right. Guys, I want to show you what, I'm seeing a lot of 3-4%. Here, 120% on a port in February. That is wild. He doubled his port in a month. Now I want to show you guys something, right? So $10,000, right? And you're doing 4% a day, right? Now this is exceptional. 4% is exceptional. Let's bring you down to more like real world, right? 1.5%. That shouldn't be too hard, right? Especially with the traffic lights. Let's take a look at this compound calculator. You want to make 20,000. You go ahead and you calculate it. You take 10,000 into 20,000 in 47 trading days. So that is essentially 2 months. I mean, at 1.5%, that's dope. In 2 months, you're making $5,000 a month. Who's mad at that? For literally minutes worth of work. All right. Now we take that number and we change it to 2%. And that happens in 36 days. 3% happens in 24. So if you are averaging 3% a day, you could damn near double your port within a month, right? Now there's 22 trading days in a month, so basically a month and 2 days. This is respectable, right? Now I know a lot of you have been up on your ports 3, 4, 5, 6, 7%. You know what? In fact, I have to have this conversation with Ivan because the Matrix has shown itself to Ivan, our captain. And he's like, I want to keep playing. I'm like, no, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. Oh, man. Let's see. What's up, fam? Up 20% today on a small account, but have sold my winners early on the Spy. Good trades 3 times, already leaving hundreds on the table. King Dash, you know what, man? Let's talk, bro. Right? Wait, is it? King Dowell. Ooh. I put my dumplings in your mouth. Okay, so check it out, man. The fact that you're up 20% and you're bitching about leaving money on the table, it's like, come on, man. Appreciate what the market gave you, the opportunity that it presented itself. You ain't gonna get rich in a day, bro. I mean, you're really not. You're not gonna get rich in a day. If you made money, never say, oh, man. That's like me. That's like me sleeping with Beyonce and being mad that I only got you for 2 minutes. Fuck, what? 2 minutes? I'm goated. It's Beyonce. I am fucking goated. Like, baby, please make a song about me. Let Jay-Z know. 2 minutes. I bagged Beyonce for 2 minutes. You think I care that I did it for 5 or 15 or 30? No, it happened, baby. Oh, man. I'm fucking with you, bro. How do we see the percentages up on the port on Weibo? Let's see. I can't wait to get to that point. Sometimes I see it. It's Beyonce. Jesus. Wow. 3.5% on the port. That's dope. Just give me 2 minutes. Beyonce can sing her single lady ass all she wants. Fuck out of here. Like, bye. All right. How do I switch between save charts? Go figure that out. Let's see. Now let's check out. Shit. Okay, we gotta hit the back button here. And now we got Speed Racer, Lucid coming on down. Tesla down, Apple down, SPY down, right? So Lucid's the latest at 11:15. Let's take a look at Lucid. And no, we don't play out of the money. We play in the money. Again, Lucid. What do we talk about Lucid? Like, just because we are getting the alerts. Now the alerts are doing what they're supposed to do, right? They're hitting it on the uptrend, they're hitting it on the downtrend. But when you go ahead and you look at the chart, you're essentially able to say, like, no, this is not what I want. I don't want to do Lucid. Okay. Let's see. Tony N says, just found your channel. I hope you changed my life. Well, the decision's yours, bro. I mean, which pill are you going to take? The red pill or the blue pill? Actually, it's a good question. How'd you find my channel? Was I recommended on a OnlyFans page? Hustler Magazine? Maybe. I don't know. Or did you get a Trade 1348 coupon code when you got your flashlight? All right. Anyways, let's see what the SPY is doing here. The SPY on the 1 minute is just printing and paying. Now, this is for you greedy motherfuckers in the back. Do you see what just happened here? Pay attention to this. RSI just broke its moving average. It just broke its moving average. It's been cooked on the 1 minute. Okay? Let's go ahead and see what's happening on the 5. On the 5, it's also looking to get cooked very, very, very soon. Right? If you're in on this, please just secure that bag. Do not give your gains back to the market. Eat both pills? I don't know about all that. Then you'll all be on tomorrow's stream, like identifying as some like pronoun. I don't know. Tony N said, "Death from OnlyFans changed my life." All right, but can you still use your hands? Just saying, Tony. Because if you put in some work, I don't know, man. You might have to file for disability before you join up in this community. Gabe, is there a tutorial video for your website? Chris, Andrews, there is. It's all there. It's in platform. It's all there. Save some pills for STV. You identify as a Jeep. So can I put a duck on you, a rubber duck? Yeah, you guys who own Jeeps, you guys play that game? Do you keep a couple of like rubber duckies with you, and then you just like tag a duck when you see another Jeep you like? Let's see. Free Top G. Oh boy. A SPY rimming on the 1 minute. Okay, Here we go. Here we go. Do we have anything actionable right now? No, we don't. We have nothing that is actionable right now. All we have is consolidation and sideways action. Okay? That's it. That's it. Nothing truly actionable. I have a CJ5 and I think the new Jeep owners are cringe. Joanna, you have a duck too? Oh my god. Okay. Wow. You all have like your special duck compartment. I identify as an attack helicopter. My pronouns are chop chop. You got a Batman duck last night? That's cool. 5 minute. Even on the 5 minute, do you see anything actionable? There's nothing actionable. And that's what I want you guys to start doing, right? We don't, Tony, yeah, I'm live every day. We don't just take a trade. We don't have actionable items. We don't take the trade. El Bago says, I feel like I should turn the candles off and just be Rita. Gabe is the Mexican Batman. First off, go fuck yourself, because I'm not Mexican. I'm Puerto Rican. Number two, I'm cooler than Batman. Well, not really. I aspire to be Batman. But chill out with Mexican. That's not cool, man. That's like calling, I don't know. That's like calling Vietnamese Chinese. It kind of hurts. There's a difference here, right? There's a difference. Mexicans huddle up in one house. Puerto Ricans steal your fucking Honda Civic. That's what we do. That's what we're really good at. And stealing from the market. That's really what we're good at. All right, so oh man. Oh, you call me a Cuban? I'm turning this fucking stream off. Oh man. No, we are not all the same. Our beings are fucking different. That is a unique identifier, okay? Our beings are different. Anyways. All right. Let's see. ADX 26 light red, gap to 13 EMA, but I see how I'm guessing and not reading. I'm going to do some push-ups because I'm not following the rules. BX, yes. Nothing actionable, bro. You want to force a trade. It's like, man. You know what happens to men who force themselves on women? They end up like Bill Cosby. That's bad. Don't be Bill. Wait for the actionable alert. Okay? Wait for the actionable alert. Wait for her to invite you in her hotel room. You bring a camera with evidence. Again, the chart's giving you all the evidence. And then when she gives you the yellow light, you just... shout out to Tidy Nose. That's let me see if I could get that shown here. Let me change the camera here. Right? You guys see that there? Taino tribal thingamajig, right? And you know what? You Caucasian fuckers out there, you know how many times you ask me, like, why do you have a lady on your arm with her legs spread? I'm like, it's a fucking frog. Jesus. Oh, man. Anyways, let's see. It is, in fact, 11:24. What do we have going on in these markets? Come on, let's see if we have something that makes us some money. Something, please. Let's see. Oh. Let's see. Lousy lights. STV, because you're a cool white boy. You never asked that. You're just a cool white boy. My favorite Transformer is Optimus Prime, but I'm more of a Voltron guy. Let's see. Apple, yellow light. Let's check it out. Apple, yellow light. Okay, so this is actually a good setup, but you want her to break not only this blue pill line, but you want her to break the 48. Once she breaks the 48, you can establish the 48 as your risk. This is the setup here. I've heard that before. Reggie Jackson, I've heard that before. This is weird. Oh, the Transformer Beast movie's dope. I saw the trailer to that. I was like, yes, yes. Anyways, guys, you see the setup there with Apple, right? I just want to make this clear. The setup with Apple, traffic light, you want to break over 48 so that you can defend it. Our new bot engine is named after an insane jester. I like it. I like it. Oh, you guys hear that? Let's see what's happening here. Uh-oh. There we go. We're getting the signals. The market wants to move. Bonsa is okay. I mean, like, people from Bonsa are elitist, you know? It's like, they're like, this is Bonsa. Everywhere else is parking. I'm just like, the fuck? Network man, what's up? Google looking the same as Apple. Every time Gabe says yes, yes, yes. The Jack Nicholson meme. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Let's see. Oh, shit, Ivan. The fuck are you doing, bro? Hey, me and STV are coming for you, Ivan. Yeah, I just got to get off the stream. I'm coming for you, bro. Anyways, yo, no joke. Family Spy and a woman that looks to break VWAP. Let's look at the Spy. They all tend to follow the same cadence, right? The big boys follow the same cadence. So there you go. You break the 48 on the Spy. Ladies and gentlemen, you break that 48, you allow that to be your level that you defend. And you're in good hands like Allstate, baby. You are in good hands. I'm beating him now. STV, I'm sure you are. Now I got to play catch up. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. We had a lot of fun today. I hope you learned something. You're going to learn something each and every morning, each and every day from STV, myself. Check out trade1348.com, where trading doesn't have to be boring. We can trade, we can make money, we can make jokes, and I can literally just embarrass myself on camera. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, helps out the algos. I'm signing out. Wait. Legit question. Can you reiterate what you mean when you mentioned the thigh gap? Is that on the MACD and or RSI? Thigh gap refers to any separation between any 2 points, right? So with the moving average and RSI, if you got RSI and moving average, let me change this camera, right? You know, you go ahead and you spread your wife's legs, right? You want to do this, you know? So RSI, moving average, you want that thigh gap, separation. Same thing with the MACD. You want that thigh gap. You want that separation. Same thing with the EMAs. You want the thigh gap. You want the separation. Because if you don't get thigh gap and separation, you don't get in, brother. Makes sense. I'm signing out. Love you all. Like, for real, for real. Peace.